Oh, and where's my coupon? I thought I had it in my hand.
This?
Yeah. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Olga is here. For those of you who haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell as well to get the latest notifications about the videos I post out there. Here. Yes. About the videos I post out here. Okay, something is wrong with that intro. Well, happy Halloween everybody. Happy holidays everybody. For those of you who don't celebrate Halloween, this video is not scripted. Apparently, my son wanted me to make a YouTube video and told me that I have to post on Halloween, so here we are. Now, I am going to talk about the VIB Rouge 20% off. This actually started last week. Of course, I should have been making a video about this last week before the event, but I did not. Sorry about that. So basically, this is what the coupon looks like. So VIB and VIB Rouge get to shop 1 week prior, and that fell on last week's weekend between October 26th to 29th. Also, you can shop online with the email that you got for 20% off at Sephora's website. And this week it's going to continue, so November 2nd to November 5th. Why I love these types of things and events? Not so much for the makeup, but I do love to restock on my favorite skincare and things that help me basically with my skin problems that I do experience. So like I usually experience some dryness during the time of winter, and that's because of the forced heat in the house. The gas heat will do horrid things to your face, to your skin, and so I do love to have really good moisturizers, really nice creams, and having 20% off of some of my favorite skincare is amazing. It helps me get more things and also helps me restock on my favorite skincare. So behind me right here I have a very small Sephora bag, and I went to Clackamas Town Center Sephora last week and bought some of the things. Now, I love the Cicapair Tiger Grass cream by Dr. Jard. I did not get exactly this product, but I got a set that includes a couple of similar products, and I think it's a good deal. So I'm gonna go into that bag and show you some of the things that I got. Like I said, I'm sorry if this video sounds like I'm all over the place. It's not something I prepared for, so I apologize if it shows. So here is this set right here. So these are the superheroes. And I thought that this was nice because when I was looking at the pricing, this product that comes in the full size by itself costs the same as this whole set, and they were sitting side by side, and I was like, okay, well, if I'm already paying, I believe it was like $52, there will be information attached on my screen if I made a mistake. If I'm paying this much already for one product, why not go ahead and get the set that includes other things to try, and that way I get to try more products. I think it's really cool that these days they have these value sets. It's not always necessarily the best deal, but if you are looking to try some new skincare and you're kind of wondering whether or not you're gonna like it, I think trying something in a kit is real good. Last week I posted the video, I reviewed Origins, and I had that starter kit type of thing, and it's gonna really last you a long time. I mean, some of these products that have, you know, seemingly small tubes and vials, they do last a long time. I mean, a month for sure. So I'm gonna look and see how this goes. I will be posting like actual review of the products once I give them a good go and a good try. So this is basically just me sharing like what I got and what I tried to restock. So the other thing I got is this Origins United States Balancing Toner, and I tried some of this at Sephora, and I really liked how it smelled, how it felt on my skin. It felt really cleansing. I have not tried this product before, but like I said, overall, I felt like I was getting really good deal for my buck. I felt like Origins, comparing to some of the other brands that are sold at Sephora, is pretty nice in terms of pricing. I don't want to praise them too much because I worry that as soon as you say the brand is affordable, they jack up the prices. I don't want to say that, so very expensive product. But yes, I will be trying this and seeing how this goes for me. As I was waiting in line, like I said, I like it how they always have minis. You get to pick up things that you forgot to pick up. I probably should have gotten a larger size of the Urban Decay setting spray, but I got a small size, and I think this is a good amount. I mean, so this is just restocking on, because I mean, sometimes I want to have a setting spray in my purse, but I don't want to carry a large size around. So having a smaller size of a setting spray is a good thing if you're traveling, if you are going somewhere, if you don't want to carry too much in your purse, like too heavy things. The other thing I got, now this is really, I'm really excited about this. This is Origins Ginseng Refreshing Scrub Cleanser, and this one, it smells like oranges. And I've mentioned in my previous video, me and my husband, we used to be Herbalife distributors, and they used to have a product that was like exfoliating product like this, and it smelled like oranges. I mean, it was amazing. So this is really much, and I don't think they have that anymore. Otherwise, I would have continued buying that product. It was that beautiful. This reminds me of that product, and so I'm really eager to try this. And of course, there will be a full review, like of some of the other Origins products that I have picked up. Like, I will have a separate video on these guys. I just can't say anything for sure yet because I have not tried these products. So the other thing I picked up is this, you know, the eyeshadow kind of base from Sephora. And why I like these ones is because when you want to have a really intense color, and you want to have instant gratification, I feel like placing a solid color on your eyelid and it actually sets, and then going on top of that with an eyeshadow, with a, you know, like a powder eyeshadow, allows you to have more intensity if you're going for a specific color. And I feel like this is a really nice, comfortable product to use. This is Sephora Colorful Shadow and Liner. So I have my previous stick right here. As you can see, I've pretty much used it up. And I have it in white because I got these because I was going for a very specific look that I wanted to try. And I needed that in white. But they come in a range of colors. And if you need to have a very intense eyelid, I feel like having this base that allows you to put in a solid color and it sets, and then you go in with a dry powder eyeshadow, lets you achieve really cool, consistent, amazing results. So these aren't cheap. I mean, I think I paid $14 for one. So, I mean, it does add up, but if you're looking for that one specific color, then I really like that. Normally, I don't really go for Sephora eyeshadows, like Sephora eyeshadows, but this product does impress me, and I do like that. And this one is, I believe, in Snow White. Oh, and by the way, they do have another one that is white, but that one goes on kind of like glossy. So if you're looking for a reflective finish, then you know, so don't confuse those two. When I was looking for the white, I wanted to go for like stark white, and I wanted the finish to be matte. I did not want it to be glossy. So there is that one little thing. And like I said, I will attach the range of colors in which it comes. The other thing I picked up is this lovely set right here. This is the beauty blenders, as well as there are soaps for them. And they kind of, I mean, this whole thing smells like a really fresh mint. So this one is Sweet Indulgence Beauty Sampler Set. I think it's a pretty good deal. I mean, you are getting 4 beauty blenders of different colors. And also, I believe that they have like different feel to them, because like I have all of these individually. Oh, and the yellow is missing because for last weekend, me and my friend, we went to the another friend's Halloween party, and I did her makeup, and I used the new one because I wanted to have like a fresh beauty blender for her. She didn't have one, and I just gifted it to her. This one is yellow, that goes right here. Oh, and I suppose, oh my gosh, and it smells like a mint candy or something like Girl Scout cookies. It smells so good. I'm gonna give her this soap that she should have with her beauty blender. I mean, this is a nice set. I mean, that allows you to try different colors, I do think that these beauty blenders do have like different texture, because I do have them individually at different points. I had these colors individually, and they do feel different on my skin, opposed to like having just a plain beige beauty blender. Like, I mean, this one is super busted and dirty, but like this is just, but this I find to be the softest. Like, I can't explain it, but like I find this to be the softest. Maybe because it's old. Maybe because it's really old and it's falling apart. I mean, I would say a good idea to replace the beauty blender when you kind of can see that, you know, it starts to fall apart. And yeah, you know, it's busted. It's good timing to replace it. So let's take a look here. Okay, so they are saying that the pink one is original. So original, sapphire, ivy, and the yellow one is joy. And I will attach the picture of the whole set so you can take a look. Picture right here. I kind of felt like I was hoping when I was getting this, when me and my husband, we looked at the set at Sephora, we thought that we were also going to get the mini beauty blenders with it, like the ones that you can use on your eyes. But alas, no, it comes with a regular size beauty blender and 4 little soaps in the colors. So what has kind of disappointed me when I was trying to restock on some of my favorite skincare items, Ole Henriksen, they have completely changed. Like, I feel maybe the products that they used to have are still somewhere there, but I'm just not, either I'm not recognizing them because of the new packaging, either I'm not finding it, or they completely have dumped some of the products and are not making them anymore. But like, this is the Ultimate Lift Eye Gel, and I really, really, really like this product because it's like, it smells like a cucumber, and I feel like after removing all of the makeup with like makeup wipes, with all of the makeup removers, with everything, like I feel like my eyes feel tired at the end of the day. And when I do my skincare routine, I like to go in with this eye gel, and I literally put it like in here, into the corners of my eyes where the tear ducts are. Now, I don't recommend doing that. Please don't do it like that. That's not what you're supposed to do. I don't think you're supposed to be putting your eye cream or eye gel into your eyes. I do that at my own risk. I'm not telling you to. Do follow the instructions where you can apply the eye cream and the eye gel. I believe it should go on your lids. I put it into my tear ducts because it makes me feel good. Like, I trust this product. And it's a beautiful product, and it helps to take away that tired feeling that I get at the end of the day. If you guys watch my other videos, you know I have eye condition, and I mean I do get sort of like tired eyes towards the end of the day, and this helps with it. I was searching for this product at Sephora and they do not carry this. I asked the sales associate and she said that they have not seen it. I have also noticed that Ole Henriksen has changed their packaging where all of their caps are now white. The lines that they carry are like green, orange, purple, am I missing something? Dark blue. This was like in their original line of products. It's light blue, as you can see, like it's a clear bottle, and it has a black cap. I think they had gone away with that because I remember the difference with like the invigorating night treatment. It used to come in a clear bottle with a black pump, and it came in a kind of like a greenish tinted bottle, or I think the product, because it's kind of like clear and greenish. Now it comes in this dark blue tub with a white cap, with a white lid, I mean. So even though I'm thinking, okay, fine, they changed the packaging, the product still exists. But unfortunately, even though I looked on Sephora's website, I do not see it. I also looked at on Ole Henriksen's website and I did not find it, so I'm guessing maybe I need to look again. I will try to look again. Or maybe the other thing I could do is go to like discounted stores like Marshall. TJ Maxx and Marshall tend to carry some of Ole Henriksen products that have been discontinued. I mean, I have gone on occasion there and found Ole Henriksen products that have black caps, black lids. So I'm thinking maybe I would be able to find this product there. And for those of you guys who are using this, if you have any information where to buy discontinued Ole Henriksen skincare, do tell. If I find it elsewhere, I will update you on my channel. So I guess that would be all for today's video. Oh, almost forgot. Okay, so totally not makeup related, but my son made me a Halloween themed YouTube button, hence the reason why he wanted me to film the video, and he wanted me to upload it on Halloween. So I'm going to be editing tonight or tomorrow so that I can upload it. And then of course he is into Legos and Minecraft, and he made me these little cute pumpkins. That's really cute. So I just wanted to kind of like, I don't know, I wanted to share that with you guys. Now, before I say my final goodbye and finish the video, I wanted to briefly mention what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I am wearing the kind of like I made myself like orange colored eyelids. I went into Art Volume 1 for the orange intensifier color for the matte, and I went into Art Volume 2 into one of the kind of like a glittery orange moments. I have not reviewed Art Volume 2. I am going to post that video here. I just haven't gotten around to, it's a lot of editing, so I haven't gotten around to that, but it will be up hopefully soon. And what I'm wearing on my lips, this is Ciate London Glitter Flip. I think these came out like last year. I thought that it goes nicely with my orange lids, this purple moment. After all, this is holiday season. Okay, so with all of that said, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I will see you all in my next videos. I love you. Bye.